It was a rainy day in Tokyo. I started my morning walk at Shinjuku Gyoen National Garden. And guess what? Admission was free that day. I admired all the colorful blossoms at People's Garden and enjoyed the peaceful Japanese garden. In the afternoon, I went to Senso-ji Temple. It rained heavily, but that didn't stop anyone. The temple was impressive. I even spotted the dragon carvings underneath the giant red lantern at Kaminarimon Gate. Some people wore their colorful yukata. A little rain cannot diminish a city's beauty.